Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. This video is going to be very special cause in this video I am sharing few bun designs. These are really very trendy nowadays, and you can make them in any Maharashtrian or South Indian wedding functions or any parties. You can try this with gajras and these beautiful hair accessories. So please continue watching the video till the end. I hope you'll get some idea about the hairstyles you can try in this wedding season. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.